Now, section 4A and B. So section 4A and B. And then section 5D. No, just D, E, and F. Actually, yes. You have A, B, C, D, E, and F. Yes. G is correct. But I think what you did, so you added too many zeros. So like, instead of by 10. So multiply those. So that'll change those ones. And then number 6, E, F, and I. Those 3. Okay? Got those marked down? That's it. Those are the ones that you need to fix, okay? Tyler D, the ones you need to fix are 4B. So what you want? Do you have your math paper from yesterday? Okay, so when I give you the number, actually, there's all of you, I'm going to give you some to fix so you can get 100 on your math paper if you want. So Tyler D, fix section 4B. And then section 5, A, B, C, D, and E. If you need help on those, I can help you, okay? So A, B, C, D, and E. A, B, C, D, and E. So for section 5, you got F and G correct. The other ones you need to fix. And then for section 6, E, F, and I. No, sorry. Section C, wrong, sorry. Tyler, you're correct on those. For section 6, it's A and D. Those are the 2 that are wrong. A and D. So those are ones for you to fix. Section 4 was just B. Okay? And then let's see. Katie, you're good. Tyler H, for you. Fix 4A and B. So you just want to circle those 4A and B. And then 5, B, and D. And then 6, D, and J. D like as in dog and J. Got it? Oh, sorry. Unmute yourself, Tyler. There you go. Did you get that? Yes, D as in dog. Okay, I see. Okay, so then what you can do is if you want to just do it on a separate sheet of paper with the correct answer and have your mom send me a picture, then I'll get that, okay? Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Just erase and do it again. Have your mom send that to me. That's fine. And then let's see. Number Matthew. I don't know if you can hear me, but Matthew, you need to fix section 6, C as in cat, and J as in Jack. So I'll message you. So 6C and 6J. Okay, let's see. Victoria, 5A as in apple and 6D as in dog. Julia, you ready? 5B as in boy. 5B. Liliana, I'll repeat yours. 5B, 6F, and 4B. Julia, I'll repeat yours in a second. Austin, you only have one, 4B. If you just want to fix section 4 verse B. And I think what you did is you added wrong. You did your multiplication or adding in stuff wrong at the end. So Julia, do you need yours repeated? So Julia, you need to fix 5B, 6F, and 4B. Okay? And then Liliana, you ready? Sure, what's your question? That's okay, it's fine. It's 25, oh, 25. So Liliana, the ones you need to fix are 5, A, B, and C. Katie, you got 100 on yours, so you don't have anything to fix. 5, A, B, and C. And then Liliana, 6D and 6I. Now, a lot of you, if you missed section 6 verse I, it's because for E and I, those are multiplying. You don't need to switch your second number. Some of you switched your second number on E and I. You don't need to on that. Okay? And then Anna Clara, when I look at yours, I'll check it, okay? Yes, Katie. Okay. I know, I see her. Liliana, Julia, what can I do for you? Julia, do you have a question? No, you have the wrong answer. Now, if you need help on one of these, come to the help section today, okay? Because I got to get going on today's math paper. So if you need help on any of these, come to the help section. Yes, Austin. Oh, Austin, unmute yourself for me. Yes, Austin. Yeah, if you just want it for that one, if you want to chat me the answer after this, you can do that. Okay, so what I need everybody to do right now, take out today's math paper for me. Yes, Matthew, come to the help session today and I can help you on that question. Let me see. Victoria. 5A, you are correct. D, you are still off by a little bit, so check D again, Victoria. Okay, so here we go. So today we're going to do Introduction to Geometry. So today we're just going to learn, it's going to be a lot of basic facts that we're going to be learning today. Let's have a look at this. Geometry is the study of space or distance, which involves the measuring of shapes. You're going to be doing geometry. I took a geometry class when I was in my junior year. You'll do geometry in college with your math class. So this is the basis of what we're going to be learning. There are a couple, geometry means to measure the earth. So we're going to learn some geometrical signs. So the first one is called a point. It is just measured by a dot. That is a point. So when you see the dot, that is a point. The next one, we have a line segment. A line segment is 2 points with a line between. Now, you may be saying, Mrs. Taylor, this is easy, but there's a lot of differences. So a line segment is 2 points with a line in the middle. Now, we have a line. Most of you think, oh, a line. But a line actually never has an end point. So a line here is represented by 2 arrows that keep going. That is a line. A ray, you have 1 end point, and then it keeps going. That is a ray. So we have a point. Line segment has 2 end marks. A line keeps going. A ray has 1 end point and then keeps going. Got a couple more things. An angle is going to be 2 rays connected with 2 rays that are going in different directions. Does everybody see that? A ray or an angle is 2 rays that share a common endpoint. We call this common endpoint, and 6th graders would know this, we were going over it. Our common endpoint right here is called the vertex. So that common point right there is a vertex. Make sure, guys, that we are on here, okay? So we have our vertex. Now, there's a couple things that we're going to learn about with our lines. So we have intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are going to cross. They're going to be lines that cross each other at some point. They're intersecting. Now, a perpendicular line are 2 lines that form right angles. So they're going to look like this. Perpendicular are going in 2 opposite directions. That is my perpendicular. And then parallel. These are going to be like your train tracks. If you've ever seen a ladder, you know how a ladder goes up like this? That's parallel. Those are our different types of geometry. So we're going to do section 1. Austin, tell me, 1A, what is that? It is a point. Good. So everybody have 1A written down as a point. So let me write that on here. A is a point. Liliana, what is B? It is a ray. Very good job. So B is a ray. Julia, what is C? A line segment. Very good job. I'm happy to hear that you learned this last year. That's good. Line segment. Arnon, what is D? It is good. D is a line. Victoria, I'll help you with that after this, okay? Let's see. So point ray, line segment, line. Now, E. Tyler H., what kind of lines are those? For E, for 1E, the lines that are going like this, what are those? Parallel lines. Very good job. Make sure you guys all write lines with it so you know parallel lines. Tyler D., tell me what kind of lines go like this at an angle for F? No, that's when the point. Look at F, the kinds of lines. It's the same as number 7 in your yellow box. Very good job. So that one is intersecting. So everybody write intersecting lines down. Okay, let's see. Katie, do G for me. What kind of lines are those? Very good. Perpendicular lines. Make sure you spell that correctly. Perpendicular lines. And then H, the last one, Victoria, what is that going to be? An angle. Very good job. So make sure you have these written down. Make sure you have it spelled correctly. Now, I'm going to give you about 2 minutes, or actually about 30 seconds to do section 2. Write true or false for me, please. Write true and false for me, please. I will tell you there are 4 falses and 2 truths. 4 falses and 2 truths. Okay. Yes, Austin. Yes, it is. Is that not what you had? No, you did have that. You just changed it. So, yeah. So I'll take a look at it in a second. Once I finish teaching math, then I'll let the people off. If you have questions over your math paper, we'll go over it, okay? Let's see. Arnon, what did you get for A? Those lines are parallel lines. True or false? False. A is false. Very good job. Oh, I forgot to go over one thing. Congruent means they're the same length. So if I have 2 lines that are the exact same length, they're congruent. These lines are not congruent. So C, Katie, are those lines congruent? Yeah. So actually, sorry, go to do C, true or false? Remember, congruent means the exact same length. Are those the same length? No, so C is false. Very good job. So C, guys, I went down, not across. So C is false. Matthew, chat me the answer for B. Is the vertex that center point of that angle C? True or false, Matthew? See, Matthew will be answering, and I will tell you what the answer for B is going to be. Good. Thank you, Matthew. Yes, Matthew was correct. It is false. B, the center vertex is actually B on that one. That's the middle point. Liliana, do D for me. Railroad tracks are an example of parallel lines. True. Very good job. D is true. Anna Clara, E, intersecting lines. These kinds of lines that go like this, they can only cross at one point, Anna Clara. True or false? Well, think about this. Are these ones going to curve back around across each other, or are they just going to keep going in their direction? It's true. Very good job. So D is true. E is true. So here we go. I'll go over them. So A is false. B is false. C is false. D is true. E is true. And then F, everybody chat me the answer, what you think F is. Geometry means to measure the universe. Very good. I'm seeing it. The answer is yes, it's false because it means to measure the earth. It means to measure the earth. Okay, let's go ahead and do, okay, so what you are going to do for A. Remember, so if 6 donuts, let's look at this. Let's look at 3A real quick. If 6 donuts is going to cost $2. So 6 donuts equals $2. You're going to see how much 3 are going to cost. So 6 divided by what is 3? Hold up your hands. 6 divided by 3 is what? 6 divided by 3 is 2. Very good job. I see that. So if I divide this by 2, I also have to divide this by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is going to be $1. That would be nice if donuts only cost $1 for 3 of them. We went to Krispy Kreme last night. It cost us $10 for a dozen donuts. That would be nice. So your answer for A is $1. Now, if Will worked 4 hours, he's paid, so he worked 8 hours, he gets $28. He only worked 4. 8 divided by 4 is what? 2. So 28 divided by 2, that's going to be your answer for here. So do that, and then chat me the answer. Chat me the answer what 28 divided by 2 is going to be. Good. Victoria, you are correct. Anna Clara, yours is right. Austin, you're correct. Tyler H. Matthew, you're correct. Arnon, yours is correct. Victoria, you're correct. Julia's, I think everybody I've seen. So, very good job. So 28 divided by 2 is going to be $14. So your answer for B is going to be $14. Now, finish the rest of your math paper. Section 4 is divide and check. Remember, for section 7, you are dividing the bigger number by the smaller number, okay? For section 6, you only switch if it's dividing for the fractions. Okay, so then 5th graders, I will see you guys again at 11 or 10:30. 10:30. I'll see you at 10:30. If you have questions, you can stay on. If not, go ahead and get your work done, okay? So if you have questions, you can stay on. Bye. Okay, so Austin, go ahead and unmute yourself. Let me grab my paper. Oh, here it is. Okay, so Austin, did you fix that math paper, math question? You got, okay, I got it, so I will change yours. Okay, do you have any questions, Austin? Nope, okay, good. Okay, Tyler H. Yes, let me get the ones that you missed. So Tyler's number 5. Okay, what did you get for 4A? Okay, so let's give me the rest of them and then I'll go back. So what did you get for B? Okay, what did you get for 5B? Good, 5D. Okay, 6D. Yeah, you can chat that for me because that's a big number.